Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to recover your Facebook account without email and phone number. If you forget your Facebook password and you cannot find your account because you don't know your email and phone number in which you created your account, don't be depressed. Today I'm here to help you to recover your Facebook account without email and phone number. Before starting the video, I will ask you something. If you still not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button of this video. Okay, let's start. At first, open your friends or your family member Facebook account and search in their Facebook your account name and go to your profile to see your user ID. Now click on three dot option and look at the below of the screen. Here you can see your Facebook profile link. After the main Facebook domain, you can see here Soyed.Redwan Ali. It's called account user ID. You can memorize that or you can copy also. I will copy this. Okay, then open your Facebook login page. Then click on forgot password. Here click on search by your email or name instead. Here paste the user ID which you will memorize or copied from the profile. I will cut the extra word in this link and just keep the user ID which you are seeing the Facebook profile link. After put the user ID name, search here, then you will get your old account here. If you forget password, click on try another way, then you will see your last two digits of your phone number in which you were created your Facebook account. By seeing last two digits of your phone number, you can remember this number easily. Click on send via SMS. And now click on continue. After that you will get a code from the Facebook by SMS in your SIM. Type the code on this box and then click on continue. After that you will be able to change your password and set up a new password in your Facebook account. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share.